Hi, my name is Anthony Farina, and I will be going over the cloud vulnerabilities and enhancements. Brief introduction. Cloud technology has revolutionized data, accessibility, and storage. Being able to download and store content in a non-location based organizational wise, it is a huge bonus, huge plus to be able to store content and data non-location based. Um, and cloud technology. Just going over what I have just said previously. It's a huge bonus for a company to be able to have the free mind to be able to store data at a non-location based uh, data center, uh, other than of course the servers for the cloud to actually be able to store data. Computing is very flexible. It's also cost effective. A lot of people would find this very hard to believe, but yeah, it's very cost effective um, to store content in a cloud based server rather than a hard server. Um, and allowing the organization to store and process sensitive data in a shared environment. Like I said, this whole cloud environment. As reliance on cloud services grows, understanding vulnerabilities within these systems become critical for maintaining data security. And I'll go over that a little bit more. Um, In cloud environments, security is a shared responsibility. While cloud providers manage physical and infrastructure level security, clients are accountable for application data and access security, creating unique challenges and opportunities for collaboration in securing sensitive information. So yeah, basically, uh, it it is a two-way street for security when it comes to cloud computing or cloud environments the server and security provider, and then it's also on the clients end. Um, but Impact of cloud on data security. Cloud technology shifts data control from on-premises systems to shared environments. This is a huge bonus for companies, not just storing wise, but cost effectiveness, like I said, and also the free peace of mind to not have a whole bunch of servers just in your organization, to store data. Um, Now I'm going to go over the enhancements a little bit. Identifying cloud vulnerabilities. Um, Understanding and addressing vulnerabilities in cloud systems is critical as they can lead to significant data breaches and security incidents. Cloud infrastructure is susceptible to attacks that exploit physical and virtual resources, comprised servers, insecure APIs, and improper configurations can expose sensitive data. Um, so a lot of factors again go into cloud's vulnerabilities, and security wise, it is a two-way street, like I said before. Um, Application level weaknesses. Cloud based applications often inherit vulnerabilities from underlying architectures. Flaws such as inadequate authentication, poor session management, and insecure interfaces can be exploited. So basically, if your cloud application is not, if it is a older infrastructure or a less um, in-depth infrastructure. Um, Multi-party dependency challenges. Cloud environments rely on various stakeholders, including providers, third party vendors, and users, creating intricate dependency challenges. A breach or vulnerability in one party can affect others. So it's a snowball effect, basically. Securing sensitive data. Protecting sensitive data in cloud environments involves understanding um, and implementing key principles of the CIA. Triad as long as risk management. Confidentiality ensures that sensitive information only accessible to authorized individuals and is only acceptable to authorized individuals. In cloud environments, where data is frequently shared among multiple stakeholders, robust measures such as strong access controls and encryption are essential. Importance of data integrity. Data integrity is vital for maintaining the accuracy and consistency of data over its life cycle. In cloud settings, measures such as checksums and digital signatures are implemented to detect unauthorized changes. Audit trails further enhance integrity by logging access and modifications, thus providing accountability and traceability. Um, and I like how the picture shows a file with a bunch of ones and zeros to represent the cloud. Um, Risk management in cloud environments. Effective risk management identifies, assesses, and mitigates threats specific to cloud environments. Um, yeah, so basically being prepared. Mm, Encryption methods. Encryption is an essential to ensuring data confidentiality, securing sensitive information at rest and in transit by employing robust encryption algorithms like advanced encryption standard. Organizations mitigate risks of data exposure from unauthorized access, even if intercepted during transmission. Multi-factor authentication, it's just an added layer of security by requiring users to verify their identity through multiple forms of authentication. Implementing MFA not only protects against credential theft, but also ensures that sensitive data is assessed solely by authorized individuals only, thereby enhancing overall cloud security. Continuous monitoring practices. Establishing continuous monitoring practices is vital to detect anomalies and potential threats that could affect the cloud system and could potentially be trying to steal sensitive information, where whether it be the companies or our clients. Zero trust architecture. Zero trust is basically it represents a paradigm shift in security, emphasizing that no user or device should be trusted by default. And it's regardless of their location by validating every request as though it originates from an open network. This approach minimizes risks associated with data breaches and unauthorized access in cloud environments. More enhancements. Implementing security solutions, establishing a good security solution is essential to safeguarding sensitive data, um, and especially in a cloud environment, there's potential attacks. Um, Access control strategies. Access control strategies are crucial for limiting unauthorized access, such as um, client addresses and credit card numbers. Um, Role based access control allows organizations to assign permissions based on user roles, ensuring that employees access only necessary data. Data classification techniques. Um, this enhances data security by categorizing information based on its sensitive nature. By implementing data labeling, organizations can apply tailored security protocols according to classification levels. So basically, like if you are um, labeling the threat severity, incident response planning. An effective incident response plan is vital for organizations in the event of data breaching or security incidents. And that is my PowerPoint.